Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. We are looking at this great pair of basic round nose pliers. They're 5 inches long and they fit really nicely in the hand. You'll notice they have dual leaf springs and a great box joint. If you look at the noses, they are both round and they taper to a nice point. So you can make really fine loops as well as wider ones depending upon where you put your wire along the nose. Now I'm going to make a wrapped wire loop right now. We do have another video which will really walk you step by step through making a wrapped wire loop, but I really want to show you how these round nose pliers function. So you'll see that you can go ahead and arch wire over them and it creates a really wonderful curve. And since they are uniformly round, you can rotate it and be able to complete a loop. So if I take that out, you can see what we've got. And then to finish our loop, we're just going to do some wrappings. And trim it up. And there you see that nice loop which we created using these round nose pliers. You can find them as well as many other tools at fusionbeads.com.